Welcome to Da Nang. Welcome to another rainy day here in the An Thung area, the main tourist hub. Hi! We're gonna take a stroll now, actually very interesting, to the gas station. I wanna see how much the gasoline is here now with all the tensions in the Middle East. And I saw a lot of news articles that I thought it was a... How are you? I saw a lot of interesting news articles about Thailand and Vietnam that government officials say they have to stay at home and work from home because of the gas crisis right now. I want to see how much it is right now. And we were gonna walk to the gas station. My wife told me that maybe Grab will be more expensive. Not sure. But I could imagine Grab will be more expensive. If the gasoline price is 30% up or something, we will see. I have no idea. She said it was up, but we will find out. Also, is it gonna be hoarding time? Are there gonna be a lot of people in front of the gas station? We will also find out. Maybe I'm gonna get a haircut on the way. I also need a new haircut, a new barber, because I'm not that happy with mine anymore. But yeah, we just walked An Thung 32. I had a coffee with my friend, good espresso, and we're gonna take a stroll now. Check this out. It's gonna be done in 1 week probably. Maybe it's gonna be like completely opened business in 1 month, most likely. This is the An Thung 30 Street. This is also again recorded today when you also see this. So this is Wednesday, 10:44 a.m. Okay, it rained and now it stopped. But we're gonna walk to the gas station. It's very interesting. I don't know how it will play out at the moment. I don't know if the European tourists are gonna not come as frequent at the moment, because my best friend wanted to come to Thailand actually and to Da Nang as well, but direct flights are very expensive right now. Over 1,200 euro for return. And I think it's very expensive. I would say it's double than it should be. So we will find out. What this war in the Middle East will have an impact on Asia or Southeast Asia and tourism, because all those Gulf nations airlines are very popular for Europeans to get to Asia. And I'm so excited about this place. I want to know what it will be, man. Probably a hotel. But it's good. It will create lots of more hotel and apartment rooms. So the tension what is around now with hotels and apartments will be a little bit loosened up. The street is still annoying to walk on, to be honest. Le Quan Dao, where we are right now, it's like very tricky to walk. On the sidewalk, almost impossible. There's also construction workers just park here or there. So it's like almost impossible to walk. And it's a busy street, guys. It's a busy street. But yeah, I want to try out the barber over there. My friend Tommy is already there. He drove there. He usually goes to this barber. Then I saw, of course, Glenn yesterday there. He was happy. I will see if they have time and if they know what to do with beards. All right, let's try it out. All right, guys, so let's continue with a fresh new haircut. The guy was very good. Yeah, I don't know why I should go to another barber now again. I think I will try them out 1-2 times more, and then we will see if it stays like that. But I'm very happy, I think. This here is my favorite ramen place, guys. I absolutely love it. And if you see some staff standing around here, just hope that they get you a 20% voucher. I love it. I still have some at home, and I gladly take it. Oh, I love it. This ramen, I have to go eat it again. But for now, I'm only eating at home at the moment, and very healthy. So we can still see here Bun Bo Hue in the street, Love and Vegan. I want to go eat there again. Whenever I have vegan friends over, we're gonna go there. I like two things in there. I like the cauliflower chicken. Well, I love cauliflower in the first place, but how they do the cauliflower chicken, barbecue chicken, very tasty. And it's not this fake meat nonsense. It's like good, real ingredients. And the banh mi or Philly cheesesteak, also very good with mushrooms. We have a new pizza over here. Peace, love, and pizza. Pizza! Hello. We're gonna go and walk to the gas station, guys, and check out how much the gas is here in Vietnam right now. As you can see, this is a very uncomfortable walking street here. That's why I rather walk on the beach or the little side streets. But this here, basically, you have to walk on the street, guys. Look at it. Look how many people walking on the street right now. This is so bad. This is so bad. And for some people, this is a deal breaker, right? And I feel like it's going to be an issue whenever they want to become a little bit higher priced in Da Nang. With this, it will never be the case, because people who pay a lot of money are not willing to walk on the street with motorbikes. It's just the reality. But yeah, what's going on here? Oh! All right, guys, now we are at the main street. Now, finally, you can walk on the pavement again. Sidewalk is usually fine over here if you walk to the right or to the left. Hypothetically, you could walk, if you follow this street here, all the way straight, and then a little bit to the right at the end, you are at the airport. I did it. I did a walk all the way from the airport to here in 59 minutes. It's on my channel, guys. Check it out. I did a whole walk from the airport to the beach. So here there's a little bit of rules, the yellow line marks, but yeah, as you can see here, things getting cleaned on the pavement, guys. So again, you have to walk on the street, ruin your shoes. But where's the gas prices, guys? So there is no gas prices here. And there's no lines or anything, queues. But I want to see the gas prices, guys. That's the price. Maybe. So it's like €1 or something. The liter. Around €1 the liter. So it hovers around 30. I'm not sure how much it was before, but this is the prices right now. Okay. But it does not seem like there's a... I saw videos in Thailand where they're queuing up to get gas. I don't think that's the case here. I don't know. So, and I don't think it's that much. So it's 1 liter less than €1. In Germany at the moment we have €2 something. USA is usually a cheap country to get gas unless you are in the democratic bubbles in the New York or Los Angeles. But I think it's more expensive now too. But I don't know. I don't know what the measurements with gallons is, but that's what you know. Like €1 is 1 liter. And a full tank is maybe €2 still, something like that, 2.5, maybe $3-4. So I don't think the motorbike is going to be an issue. I think the issue is if you have 10-20% increase, it's going to be an issue for the car drivers, and it could be an issue for Grab or taxis or buses. This could be an issue, guys. Or transport, trucks. So if this goes up, there might be inflation going on here too. Who knows? We have a lot of electric vehicles here. We have a electric ride-sharing app here, XanSM. So they will not be affected at all, I guess. Like these cars here, all electric. They have an own app for that. Yeah. That's how it is right now. Let me know, how much of an increase do you have at the moment in your country? I think Thailand is hit more, but I have no idea. We will find out how Vietnam is gonna tackle this. But as of now, I don't see any kind of panic at the moment. And let's see how long the conflict will be. And we're gonna check out the beach right now. Check this out. You can banh mi's here. Can have lunch here, dinner as well. Get some ice cream and walk to the beach. Everything possible here. And here they are also at 43 Town. Lots of different restaurants here. I have not tried out the sushi yet. I'm wondering, what is this, a buffet or just one set? Jospa Grill Steaks. Yeah, you gotta be careful, man. You can always walk against these things. The beach doesn't look nice. It's gray, dark clouds everywhere, no beach weather. But yeah, it's good. It's still warm. For me, it's a nice temperature. But if you come here for a vacation, beach vacation, this might be a very annoying thing here. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next walk.